Come to lying on your back. You can place a cushion or blanket underneath your head and adjust the body so that you feel comfortable. Slide the shoulder blades down and smooth the skin of the buttocks towards the heels. Adjust the base of the skull up, away from the shoulder blades, and evenly place the head. Now rest your hands on the front of the body and settle. Turn the attention inwards and begin to feel into your experience with all its various sensations, from physical to emotional, from outer to inner. Relax the tongue. Relax the face. And sense the breath moving the body from the inside out. Take a deep breath in, a long breath out. Let there be a soft resting back into gravity. Let's explore the felt sense of the body, and in so doing, discover the depth and richness of our experience, where curiosity guides our exploration. Bring your attention to your feet. What is the felt sense of the feet? Start with the toes and flow awareness through the balls, the arches, the heels, and sense the whole of the foot, its aliveness. Be curious. Shift your attention upwards to the shins and calves. Carry the feeling of aliveness upwards from the feet. What is the felt sense? Be curious and explore. Start at the bottom of the shin and flow awareness along the front of the shin to the knee. And flow awareness back down the calf to the heel. Again, up the front and down the back. Take soft, gentle breaths as you explore. Move upwards to the knees. Sense the knee joint, front and back. Feel and flow upwards from the knee to the thighs, up the front to the hip, and down the back to the knee again. Breathe. Feel the aliveness circling upwards and flowing back down. Be curious and explore the felt sense of the thighs. Move upwards into the bowl of the pelvis, like a child exploring something for the very first time. Feel the back of the pelvis as it rests into the floor. Breathe into the front of the pelvis, the soft underbelly. Sense this middle place in the body, our center of gravity when standing. Shift awareness upwards to the solar plexus where the hands are resting. Breathe softly into the hands. Feel the aliveness of the breath pulse. Feel the breath pulse from the center of the torso. Breath flows in, breath flows out. Breath flows in, breath flows out. Be curious and explore the felt sense of the diaphragm as it moves the breath. Now bring attention to the upper body, heart, shoulders, arms, hands. Sense the heart beating, the arms scintillating with energy, the energy of aliveness. Be curious. What do you feel? Soften now and gently open the arms out to the sides, a little away from the body, and turn the palms upwards. Feel energy flowing from the heart outwards to and through the palms, a gesture of offering. Breath flows in. Breath flows out. Breathe in deep. Breathe out long. Now move awareness upwards through the neck to the base of the skull at the back. Flow awareness up the back of the skull and down the front of the face. A circular movement of awareness, creating space at the back and softness down the front. Feel, breathe, be curious. Now shift your hands to the heart. Feel into the inner spaces of your heart. Be curious. Feel the energy of lightness, of love, of joy. Feel the aliveness of your entire being pulsing from the heart space. Allow your curiosity to take you inwards to the very essence of your experience. Rest in the deep inner space of the heart.